Well, Leica may have some competition. According to digitalcameraworld.com, the Pixii Max, this digital rangefinder with a full-frame 24 megapixel sensor, interchangeable lenses, goes on sale today on Pixii.fr, Pixii. It'll sell for about 4,000 euros or $4,000, and shipping will start in September. According to digitalcameraworld.com, the camera will be available in silver or black. It'll have internal memory up to 128 gigs. This camera looks awesome. There's a wide range of lenses that you can put on it. It looks spectacular. It's made by a French company. Now, 64-bit full frame French rangefinder.